Hello everyone, I'm Abhiraj and I'm walking in the streets of Chandigarh. Today I will be giving you a small tour of the Garden of Fragrance, which is situated in Sector 26, Chandigarh. This Garden of Fragrance was built in 1988 and it has many flowers like Raat Ki Rani, rose, and many more flowers. Here I've arrived in the garden. In my right, you can see this path. This is a jogging path, and if we go more forward, there is a normal walking path too. There are many open gyms in this garden. As you can see here, a one.